What color is that?
Blue.
That's right. Oh, I'm going to put it in the carton with all the other ones. That's exciting.
Yellow.
I'll put another one in the blue.
That's exciting.
And we'll put another one in the red.
Here it comes.
Here it comes. We need another one in the green.
This is literally the neatest egg coloring I've ever witnessed. Oh, that's exciting.
Pretty.
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Say, come on.
Uh-oh.
Come on.
Oh, let's check out the orange one. Yep, well, you got to check out the orange one, huh? Yeah, okay. Let's put that over here. Let's see what it looks like, honey.
Oh, so excited. Can't even sit still. Ooh, what color?
Yellow.
It's close to yellow.
She was looking at that.
Okay.
Yellow.
Yeah, uh-oh. Don't touch, sweetheart. You'll turn yellow. You'll turn yellow.